Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how to find the solutions to a quadratic equation using factoring. Here's an SAT practice problem adapted from Khan Academy, where we're going to find the solution to the equation 3x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So you might have heard of the FOIL method to factor. Today I'm going to show you a really similar method called the box method. It's essentially the same thing, but it's a little bit more visual. So we're going to take this equation that we have and we're going to turn it into two binomials. So for example, x plus 3 times x plus 1. Those are two binomials. So we're going to start with a 2 by 2 box here. One of our binomials is going to be on the top. The other one is going to be on the left here. And we're going to put the 3x squared here, the negative 2 here from our original equation above. And then these two boxes we're going to leave blank right now, but those are going to add up to the negative x. So essentially what we're doing is we're going to take the equation we have right now, and we're going to turn that into two binomials by multiplication. So essentially we're doing this backwards. Instead of going from two binomials multiplied into an equation, we're going to go from the standard form equation and multiply that out into two binomials. So how this works is this term here multiplied by this term is equal to 3x squared. This term multiplied by this term is equal to this box. This term multiplied by this term is equal to this box. And lastly, this box, this term multiplied by this term is equal to the negative 2. So if you look at the FOIL method, right, first, outside, inside, and last, it's the exact same thing. So this first term of the binomial, multiply the first term here is equal to the 3x squared. You got the outside, this outside goes here, inside goes here, and then the last ones, last and last, go here. So it's the exact same thing, just a little bit more visual. So I'm going to redraw this so it's a bit cleaner. Again, we have the 3x squared and the negative 2. So we're going to do a little bit of guess and check to complete this. But so first of all, I'm going to put the 3x here and x here, right? These are going to multiply out to 3x squared. And then over here, I'm going to put a positive 2 and a negative 1. Right, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. We got 3x times negative 1, that's negative 3x. And 2 times x is 2x. So if we add all of these terms together inside the box, all of these terms, we get 3x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 2 combined like terms, that's equal to 3x squared minus x minus 2. And that is exactly the same as what we had to start with in the beginning. And that is also equal to the two binomials we just created. One up here and one down here. So that's equal to 3x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Remember, this is the same equation as we started with, so all of this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have our two binomials. It's equal to 0, so in order for them to be equal to 0, at least one of them has to be 0, right? Since 0 multiplied by something else is still 0. So to find our two solutions to the equation, we can set each binomial equal to 0. So I'm going to start with the 3x plus 2 here on the left. So we have 3x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2, 3x from both sides. 3x equals negative 2. Divided by 3, x equals negative 2/3. Go x minus 1 equals 0. Pretty simple, x equals 1. So there you go. There's your two solutions. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the link in the caption below for some more practice with quadratics. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you next time.